So these are the newest Ninja Time codes on Roblox. Now, these are all very OP codes that you can use because they're new and they can help you grow in Ninja Time. So, the first one we have is Aris, which gives you 10 family tokens. Next is Hygon, gives you 10 clan tokens. 150k members gives you 6 element tokens. 35 million visits or 35M visits gives you 6 family tokens. 195k faves or FAVS gives you 6 family tokens. 115k likes gives you 6 clan tokens. Super Lux INN gives you 10 clan tokens. Byte 10k, 32 clan tokens, and 12 family clan tokens, which is a lot of tokens, so make sure you use these first. And then Lux In gives you 32 clan tokens and also 12 family tokens. So as you can see, like I said, these are very powerful codes that you can use to up your game immediately in Ninja Time. I hope your tokens and your spins are very lucky, of course, with the help of these codes. So, once again, use them now before they expire so that you can advance properly in the game. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.